Dear Pacha, congratulations, you made it to IMA. IMA will be your home, not only for the next 2 years, but also for the rest of your life. Today, you will be mesmerized by the grandness of the Louis Kahn Plaza, an architectural marvel with no parallel. The charm of Vikram Sarabhai Library, one of the greatest storehouses of knowledge in our generation. And the hustle and bustle of the corridors where future leaders strive to distinguish themselves and become the best of their time. You will soon sit in classes just like I did and find lots of people just like you with their own aspirations and struggles. Take a moment and soak in the vastness of the halls I used to roam, dreaming of being more than just a face in the crowd. Everyone in IMA's history has left their mark on its legacy one way or another, and soon you will too. Classes here are unlike anything you have seen before, and pushing yourself to engage with them will bring out a side to you that you never thought you had. And keep an eye on the time. There are those days when you'll never expect that surprise quiz announcement at 1:45. And if you aren't used to running, well, you will be soon. Call me strange, but I will always miss that adrenaline rush that came with every exam I wrote. You will experience it soon enough. You will have to burn the midnight oil to stay on top of everything you learn here. And you'll need to keep your friends by your side every step of the way. But it's not all work and no play. You'll soon be part of a vibrant campus life with so much more to offer than you had bargained for. With so much to do and keep you occupied, you soon find your own way of catching a moment to breathe You might be wondering, what more does this place have to offer? What not? You could be an actor, a dancer, a rock star, or a sports person. There is no limit to who you are in this place, and nobody can tell you what you should dream of achieving. Every person you meet and every single thing you do will play a role in shaping your destiny. But remember, in the end, you are the one driving change in your own unique style. Jump out of your comfort zone, pursue challenges, and take adversity in stride. Don't ever give yourself a chance to regret not trying something new, because learning is all about finding something you didn't have before. In time, you'll learn to fall in love with this place. I have lived all these moments and now it's your turn. Chal facche, bhag!